Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're liking my channel, please like it, share it and subscribe it. I'm back after a long time. So in today's video, I'll tell you few worksheets in English regarding the class prep, that is upper KG, right? See, as the child starts in the starting session, what you can do is you can make a grid like this एंड देन यू कैन गिव देम एनी अल्फ़ाबेट्स, जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स आपको लगते हैं बच्चे को कंफ्यूजिंग है या क्लियर नहीं है, आप वो अल्फ़ाबेट्स दे सकते हैं. एंड देन यू कैन टेल देम लाइक कलर द ए इन रेड, बी इन ब्लू एंड सी इन येलो एंड राइट लाइक कलर दी स्मॉल लेटर्स इन ग्रीन. सो दिस वे बच्चे को क्या होगा, रिकग्निशन बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, राइट? नाउ सी, दिस इज द अदर वर्कशीट एंड इट इज ऑल अबाउट लाइक सेइंग we have to fill it, right? Capital A B C D, write the missing letters basically. Okay, now the another worksheet is like color the picture and write the first letter of each picture. So now what will happen if a child see he'll say drum, D, so phonetics भी आ जाएगा and child का recapitulation भी हो जाएगा regarding the alphabets, right? The next is this one. This is the like fill in the blanks. Like when a child knows like 3-letter words, CBC words, like okay, so आप इस तरह से fill in the blanks बना सकते हैं बच्चे के लिए, जिसमें आपको पिक्चर भी बनानी है so that he can just see like कौन सी पिक्चर है, उसको थोड़ा हिंट मिल जाए. Like I see a black, just make a cat here. Okay, suppose in case it's not visible here, so here it's a cat, like okay, so I see a black cat. In a similar way, I will wear a dash. So now see, by looking at the picture, child can write hat. And ऊपर आप बॉक्स में उनको थोड़ा सा आंसर्स हिंट दे सकते हैं. Now the next worksheet could be match the pictures to the word, right? Like fan है तो उसको spelling आना चाहिए, sounds पता होना चाहिए, तो he will join it with the fan, right? Hat है तो hat के साथ join करेगा. So in this way. And now the next is like you can make a picture. एंड नाउ वॉट यू विल डू इज आप उनसे मिलते जुलते वर्ड्स बच्चों को दे दीजिए. लाइक अगर यहाँ पे मैन है तो आप ऑप्शंस में मॉप, मैप और मैन, ये तभी बच्चे कर पाएंगे व्हेन दे हैव अ क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द फोनेटिक्स, राइट? सो अनदर वर्कशीट इज दिस. नाउ द अनदर वर्कशीट इज दिस, फाइंड द वर्ड्स, राइट? सो हॉरिजॉन्टल, वर्टिकली, पहले बच्चों को इजी दीजिए, ठीक है? जैसे बैग है, थोड़ा हिंट दे दीजिए लाइक दिस इज बैग, और ये आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल में मिलेगा या वर्टिकल में मिलेगा, तो उस हिसाब से बच्चे जो है आंसर्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट अगेन मैच द करेक्ट पिक्चर्स टू द गिवन वर्ड. जैसे जैसे आप जिस वॉल का आप कंप्लीट करो, जैसे दिस इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू द ई वॉल, तो उस तरह से आप सीबीसी वर्ड्स का डायग्राम बना के उसके मैचिंग ले सकते हैं बच्चे के साथ. देन दिस इज द फोनिक्स क्रॉसवर्ड, a sort of like you can give a word bank and बच्चे को आप थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे दीजिए कि इस तरह से उसको ये करना है. Now next is like draw the lines connected to the wall A and E to the pictures. इससे क्या होगा, जैसे बच्चे को आपने A दिया है तो उसको phonics क्लियर होना चाहिए. Like he knows कि okay this is bag, mat, now this is box O, so this is related to the O wall, तो ये connect नहीं होगा. Bug, it is to the U wall, so ये भी connect नहीं होगा. Okay, this is tag, hat, and this is dog. This is related to the O wall again. So in this way you can make another worksheet. Now in the next worksheet what you can do is just look at each picture and you have to say it loud, and now they have to guess what wall sound do they hear, right? And they have to circle the correct wall. Suppose in case this is web, so which wall is used? A, E, I, O, U. So like this you can just make the another worksheet. Now the another worksheet is like a fruit in a day's with a healthy way, just like mango, kiwi. Just ask them to join it, right? Again then color the vegetables which are green, color the vegetable which is yellow. So in this way. Now the next worksheet is like match the correct sentence to the given picture. Suppose this is once a child know how to read easy words, like suppose if in case I'm taking this picture, okay, so this is we have a big van, I have a red pen, so I have a red pen. So a child will he will match the correct sentence to the given picture. Next is fill in the missing wall. So you can give any wall, just give the diagram of diagram, एक photograph आप दे सकते हो, and then बच्चा they have to just guess, like if it's like B-D, so the picture is of bed, so it is B-A-D. He will not write B-I-D bid or B-A-D bad, right? In this way. Now circle the matching small letter in each row. Like suppose this is capital S, so again the recognition of the lowercase and uppercase letter. Now again read the words and match the correct pictures in a similar way. Now again the same, like draw the lines connecting the wall sound I to the pictures that have the same sound in the middle, right? In a similar way. Again fill in the missing letter in each word. Then this is something new. Like you can just tell the child that you have to write the beginning sound of the each picture, and we will just make a sentence. Like see, mushroom is there, so M is the word. Yo-yo is there, so Y is the word. So this makes the word my. This is cupcake, this is apple, this is tree, so this is cat. This is igloo, this is sun, so the word is. This is octopus, this is necklace, so the word is on. This is moon, again this is yo-yo, so the word is my. This is leaf, this is apple, this is pizza, so the word is lap. So my cat is on my lap, in this way, right? And then just ask the child to write the whole sentence with a full stop. Okay, again recapitulation, right? Match the line to the capital and the small letters. Again the middle sound. This is actually a very good worksheet if you want your child to know exactly the sound of the vowels. This is very good and this is very helpful. Again, see, you have to just see the picture and you just have to guess. Okay, you have to just guess the beginning sound. Like this is a duck, so the answer will be D. Now look at the picture and circle the correct word. Again, see, again mop, mom. So they should know how to read and they just have to write the correct answer. Now choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Again, I can hit a. Now the picture is of bat, so the child will write bat. Again the same, you have to just guess the same sound in the middle. Okay, like this is of the O vowel. Again the missing letters. Now this is also very interesting. This is like you have to match the words that sound same. Like dog, log, fan, pan, mat, cat, hen, pen. Now this is something which I really like because this is the reading comprehension. आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि बच्चे को सेकंड में कराएंगे, थर्ड में कराएंगे. Just go for a little comprehension, small comprehensions, छोटे छोटे word sentences जिसमें होते हैं, child can read it easily. Like see, I am a shark. I am grey in color. I can swim very fast. Look at my jaw. It is so big. I have a lot of teeth. I have 2 eyes. I can be as big as a bus. I eat fish. So now after reading these sentences, child, he has to write the answers, okay? Like a dash can swim very fast. So we are talking about shark. A shark is dash in color. So just make them read and then just make them answer this. Okay, again, you have to just see the picture and then you have to write the word. Okay, so now here what you have to do is you have to read a sentence and then you have to color. Like I see a cup. So then they will color a cup. Okay, I see a rat. So you have to color a rat. Okay, now the next is we have to write he and she. So for the concept of he and she, again a very good worksheet. Like this is Miss Pia. Dash is a teacher. So she is a teacher. Now while doing this worksheet, please give a child a hint. Because obviously अभी उसको एक अच्छे से hint दीजिए because the proper grammar for this will come in class 1. But again give him a hint कि बच्चे whenever we start a sentence, the first letter it has to be capital. Okay, and then the full stop wala thing. Okay, so this is all about he, she, it, am, are. Like okay, I'll cover all these things. I'll cover in my next videos. I'll cover all the grammar for class 1. Don't worry. Now again, this is the worksheet for this and that, right? And now again, see, opposites: small, big, hot, cold, happy, sad, young, old, day, night, dry, wet. Now circle the same sounds. Pot, now hot. Again a very good worksheet for this age. Now again comprehension is there. See, a small comprehension, बच्चा बहुत आराम से read out कर जाएगा. Like, Pat is my black cat. Pat likes to sit on her mat. She will take a nap on her mat. Pat is a good cat. Now who is Pat? My cat, my dog, my dad. So my cat is the answer. Where does she sit? On her mat. What will she do? Take a nap. So this ways. Again the worksheet for this, that, these, those. Right? Now this is something to clear the sounds of sh, which says sh, says ch, and th, which says th. Okay, so again this is a very good worksheet. Like you have to just see the picture, ch or sh, like chair, ch, so the sound will be ch. Sheep, so the sound will be sh. Again double o, we know double o says oo, double e says e, like book, feet, bee. Right? Now see, again a comprehension. Okay, small comprehensions. Again the sound of ch, sh, just make them clear, all these things. Again comprehension, please give your child comprehension, simple comprehensions you can give. Okay, again write the beginning sound, like AT already written, so what is this? Bat. EN already written, what is this? Tent. Right? Again you have to color the rhyming words, like top. So what will be the rhyming word of top? Cop, hop, right? And this way. Okay, again this is opposites. Again comprehension is there. So when the child he knows all the 5 walls, so you can give the worksheet like this, where he has to just guess the middle sound. Okay, again he, she, the concept, you can just draw the picture and ask the child to write he and she. Right? Again this, that. Again comprehension, small comprehensions. Okay, again the sounds of ch, double o, double e, sh, and again the use of he and she. Now just reading the sentence, they have to just color the picture. I see a bird. So see, this is honeybee, this is bird, this is rabbit, so we have to color bird. Again see, question answers, they are introduced with a 1-letter word, like the frog lives in a pond, he jumps on a log, the frog eats a fly, then he hops in my bucket. So where does the frog live? So the answer is pond. Where does he jump on? Log. What does the frog? Okay, now this is action words, right? So you can just make a picture and just ask them to match the picture with the action words. Again, see, this is the like fill-ups you have to do. Again, the action words you have to match. So grammar part bhi साथ साथ में हो रहा है. Again, see, again this is comprehension. Now again in, on, under, preposition. Okay, again the rhyming words, then the use of he and she. Again a comprehension, questions are given, so just read it and then ask the child to solve it. Again see, action words you have to match. Again the comprehension, and this is the use of his, her. Right? So this is all about English worksheets. I hope you like this. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.